Amazon affiliate marketing without website. How to earn money from home. You don't have your own website, but you heard about affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates program and you want to start. That's what this video is about today. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog, all kind of little tricks and tips to make some money online. Big money, small money, whatever kind of time you want to put into it. Depends on if you can make big money or small money. But anyways, let's get right into this. A couple things I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to show you a couple different places you can promote your Amazon products. I do recommend having your own website as well. And also I'm going to show you a place to get 2 free websites and a free 10-lesson course. And within the first few lessons, you'll learn about driving traffic to those websites, tons of traffic, because you need traffic to either your websites or whatever other places I'm going to promote for people to click on your affiliate links, and that's how you make money. You could just post links online, but no one's going to see them if you don't try different techniques. But anyways, let's get right into this. And let's take a look at some of the things about Amazon right away. So Amazon Associates program, you do have to register for it. I'm not going to go into all that kind of stuff because it's it might be a little different in every country. In fact, put what country you're in the comments below. So when you're in your Amazon account here, I already obviously have an Associates membership. They have a place here where you have to list your websites, your properties, or whatever you want to call them. And that's what you do. You have to register, you have to be approved, and I believe you have to have a sale within 90 days to keep your account active. And if you don't get a sale in 90 days, they will delete your account, but then you just create another one. That's what I did when I first started because I didn't know what I was doing. I just had the account there. I was actually promoting links, and I didn't even know that my account was closed. But anyways, that's another story. I don't want to get into that. But I've been doing it for a while now, so you live and you learn as you go. But anyways, so the obvious place here is going to be YouTube. This is a video right here on YouTube. 8 cool, awesome gadgets available on Amazon. I'm not going to play the video, but it's about a 10-minute video. And look at this, all these Amazon links right down here. So that's one real cool way of doing it, and I do that as well. Like for example, I have an acoustic guitar here that I made a video for. 10-minute guitar, or 10-minute video, I mean. Amazon link. I even have a blog post link for the same thing here. I have a thumb piano video that has like over 151,000 views, and an Amazon link right there. Amazon Prime for students, just promoting this stuff. And just for another one, keyboard stand I did. This one was like a less than 3-minute video, and this one's a lot newer. And this is on my other YouTube channel, by the way. An Amazon link right there. So pretty cool. Very cool indeed. Actually, if you click on the link here, it takes you right to Amazon. Purchased one time, whatever. And you don't have to do stuff you purchased either. And this one's currently unavailable, but there's other ones that they pop up here or whatever. Anyways, so another place is going to be a Facebook group, Facebook page, and they even give you links right here. Like once you have the affiliate membership, they're going to give you links here. Share on Facebook, share on Twitter. Another place you can promote your links. And you can get your links right here if for YouTube and such. And so very cool indeed. You don't need a website, but like I said, I do recommend a website. I have many websites and all that good stuff. Another place that's really cool is called Kit. I just started using these folks last year as well, about 5 months ago, 6 months ago, I don't know. Everything on here is not Amazon products, because you can promote any affiliate program that you're promoting on here. I do have a bunch. In fact, I only have a few Amazon ones on here, I believe. Like that keyboard stand I just showed you right here. Home studio gear. I only have that keyboard stand in here. Guitar pedals, drum stuff. I'm a musician, obviously. But this is a very easy site to use. It's free as well. And you just plop your affiliate links in there, make a little description. I have some Cash apps here, for example. Again, these aren't Amazon links. And then you have your link down here, and you click for this one, for example, get a free stock on Robinhood. I have my link down here, and I'm good to go. You can put videos in here if you want. You don't even have to make the videos. So another really cool place to promote Amazon products. Now, Another place that I'm going to show you here is called Wealthy Affiliate. Now, this place you can actually create your own websites. And like I said, you get 2 free ones. And they have training here as well on how to drive traffic to your sites and your affiliate links, because that's the main key here. Anyone can put links up online, anyone can put stuff on Kit, anyone can put YouTube videos, but you want to drive traffic to those places. So like I said, they're going to give you 2 free websites to start off with, and you get this course right here, Online Entrepreneur Certification Getting Started Level 1. And there's a lot of stuff in here, video courses, reading. There's a huge community of people here for help, and there's even all kinds of different stuff if you really want to get into affiliate marketing and making lots and lots of money. There's a lot of successful people here that you can connect with as well, and just another option for you. So that's all for today. Check out the links in the video description below. I have links down there for Kit. I have links down there for this. Get started with this. Obviously, you're on YouTube, so you know how to get on YouTube. And promote your affiliate links. Sign up for the associate program. They do have lots of rules, so definitely read all that stuff. And that is all for today, and I will talk to you soon.